So this is what is the important picture or the various dimorphic ones. Or dimorphic, I've already told up what is the mnemonic for it. The mnemonic for this is HSBC square. Okay, what is this H? H is histoplasma. Okay, and what you're observing as a mold form. Okay, how to remember the mold form is at which temperature? Mold is gold, and how much carat gold? 25 carat gold. Okay, so this is which temperature? 25-degree temperature, and this is termed as tuberclate macroconidia. This is which type of conidia? Macroconidia. This is tuberclate macroconidia, which looks like a sunflower. Okay, which looks like a what? Sunflower. The capsule is made up of polysaccharide. So this is histoplasma, 25-degree tuberclate macroconidia, and this is narrow based budding in the case of histoplasma. और जब भी histoplasma की बात होगी क्वेश्चन में, वो definitely area की भी बात करेगा, like Ohio, Arizona, because they are the endemic for this particular histoplasmosis. And another important question here is, which particular histoplasmosis, acute or chronic, mimics TB? The answer is chronic histoplasmosis mimics tuberculosis. Okay, chronic histoplasmosis mimics what? Tuberculosis, and this is having a tuberclate macroconidia. Okay, regarding the S, that is sporotrichosis, I have already told up, this is what is termed as flower-like sporulation, and this is another thing, narrow base budding or cigar-shaped yeast cell. That is the feature of this sporotrichosis. And in this INCT exam, they have given up a picture of this sporotrichosis one, that is the sporotrichoid pattern, and the spread is lymphocutaneous spread. Okay, the spread is lymphocutaneous spread, which is the most common seen in this sporotrichosis. Okay. Regarding the coccidioidomycosis or coccidioidos, this is termed as arthroconidal arrangement. What we call this? Arthroconidal arrangement. They look like a rectangle, and this is what is termed as arthroconidal arrangement, and this is what is a spherule, and within the spherule what you have? You have these endospores, or you can say spores. Okay, और ऐसी ही same picture if you want to tell up in the chat box that ऐसी ही same picture कहाँ मिलती है? This spherule within that endospores. Regarding the blasto, in the blasto you need to know only one thing, that it is having a figure of 8 appearance or broad based yeast cell. That is a feature of blastomyces. Okay, and in the case of paracoccidioidos, you have this Mickey Mouse appearance or mariner's wheels appearance or pilot wheel appearance, and you can remember them as the ears of Mickey. Okay, so this is there, and like this we have discussed up all of them, that is regarding the various dimorphic fungus, and the mnemonic is HSBC square. Now you must be surprising of that what is the other P. The other P which is there here is penicilliosis, and this particular penicilliosis is done by a particular fungus termed as Penicillium marnifi, which is having a brush border conidal arrangement. Okay, brush border conidal arrangement this is having, and this particular infection is common in whom? HIV positive ones. This is common in whom? HIV positive ones. Adrenaline, you are perfectly made the Mickey there. That is what is there. Fine. So penicilliosis is done by this Penicillium marnifi, and this is common in whom? In the HIV positive ones.